Guys, what about this one? It's a book tote in the teeny tiniest little size. It really looks like a little mermaid bag. Oh wow. And this is with a shorter golden strap. He has just shown me this incredible piece. Oh, hello. Do we like this one? This is not just any Fuji, guys. And the love of my life, this color. Celine Triomphe, Ava Triomphe, oh god, they're all gorgeous. I don't know what to do. I love my Ugg boots, I will never get out of them again. I'm like old now, I will only wear comfortable shoes from now on. Can we believe it? This is a gold lizard. Cutest little bag. Yeah, let's be honest, I'm in love with Celine. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another beautiful day in London. Just had my morning coffee to wake up. I'm going to meet a long lost friend now. We're gonna have breakfast, then I have a little doctor's appointment, and then I would say we're going to head to Harrods and see what's new. And I still have a very exciting haul coming up soon. So stay tuned. The only thing is I haven't had time yet to film it. You guys know I'm still living in a hotel at the moment, so you know everything is a little bit all over the place, okay? And for all you London lovers, this is the scenery. I'm right here at Liverpool Street at the moment. And yeah, okay guys, a couple hours have passed, had a good breakfast. We start our day in Selfridges and we just want to say cheers. Cheers. Oh guys, look at these Lona babies right here. So many all at once. I still want to have one of those, the Queen's bag. Still loving all the Lombards, and I feel like a fourth Lombard bag should be in my future. Well, very soon actually, because I'm so in love with these guys. And I always love the classic brown, the classic 10. Super gorgeous. And this is a canvas bag. Love it too. And just again, look at these beauties. I can't get over how sparkly they are. And this is the size of the box cat bag that I don't own yet, so I feel like this could be my next one. You guys know I was madly in love with the Dries van Noten bags last time, and wow, look at this one. I love the last purple fabric one that I saw. I don't know what it is. I think they're super cute. Yay. Guys, look at these glittery, sparkly beauties. I've never seen this one before, but my eyes always catch these. The new design, guys, I still think they're cool for travel because they're super lightweight, even though it's full on leather, but it's not my style. Oh guys, since I've seen this one in our last vlog, I'm so madly in love with this book tote. Oh, it's so beautiful. I don't know if this is the one. Yeah guys, and here we are trying this book tote again because I love it, especially with this outfit. I don't know what it is, it's just beige, but then I really like it. Guys, what about this one? I'm just always drawn towards those colors, and you can actually still get your name on the back, and it doesn't take 6 to 8 weeks anymore. It takes 72 hours because they can do it actually in London now, which is fabulous. You know, if I would ever get a book tote, of course I would put my name at the back. Yeah. Oh, I'm just a sucker for flowers. I know I say it all the time, but I mean, look how beautiful this one is. Look at the little ladybug. That's the attention to details. Oh, I love this one.
Actually, I found it. I found it in the stock.
Oh yeah, that looks nice.
I like it with your outfit.
Yeah, it's really like autumnal already. Look at this beauty. This is from the upcoming autumn-winter collection. It's not even an art bag. I love the colors. Super beautiful. Another quick stop at Dior. We're in Harrods right now, and look at this baby. I know I've seen it last time. I just walked past. It's a book tote in the teeny tiniest little size. Absolutely adorable, if you ask me. And it's like a wild one. I always say this reminds me of like the nanny. As soon as you got leopard print on anything, like the nanny friend fine. I'm the biggest fan. I love it. I don't know what it is, guys. I really love this one. It's the cutest. I am in love. Look at this. This is a very special mini book tote. It's not your typical book tote. First of all, it's like a wicker material. And it's really nicely done. But then you got actually an inside. I'll show you in a second. But first, let's look at this. I love it. I actually also think that the handles are a little bit taller than the one from the mini book tote. This is like an insert that comes with the bag. And you can actually take it out, right?
Yes.
Yeah. But it gives the bag some stability, right? Some structure. Guys, so nice. You don't need to buy your inserts anymore. It comes with an insert. And so the handles of this one are a little bit lower, right? This is, yeah. And again, this new vintagey top handle bag, guys. Look, it comes in such beautiful embroidered versions. Oh, and look at this baby. Wow. Same with this one. And guys, for autumn and winter, the perfect fluffy companion. And a lot of micros. This bag is entirely new as well. I spotted it. It's an Alma. I thought it's an Alma PM. It's not an MM, it's an Alma GM. And look, it's like painted on. It's absolutely beautiful. Well, it has the effect that it's painted. Can you see that? I love this. Even the clochette is painted on. So this bag in this color actually only comes out tomorrow. So we're super quick. Again, it's an on-the-go, I don't know, PM. I don't know what the sizing is. It's a really nice autumn color. Perfect burgundy color. Yeah. We tried the white and black one on from the new collection last time. I'm gonna put it up for you so that you get a little reminder. But this is gorgeous. So it's like a gray iridescent. It really looks like a little mermaid bag. Oh, wow. Yeah, loving it. I'm a big fan of these teeny tiny little mini Almas. Look how cute they are. And I'm a big fan of epi leather anyway. They got it in orange as well. Guys, look at this LV display in Harrods. So here we got the Dauphine Capitale. We tried it on in our last vlog as well. It's a pretty bag. This is the new Go-14. And look at this robe though. That's almost Versace-like, isn't it? With all the bling bling. Guys, what about the puffer twist in lilac? I love the color. I love the golden hardware. This is with the strap. And this is with the shorter golden strap. I think I would just wear it without the long strap. You guys know I'm not a fan of long straps in general. Nice little twist bag, isn't it? With the chain right there. It's cute. But guys, it's actually a magnetic closure, so it's not your typical twist closure. So it's just a twist logo basically. My friend is just trying on this one, so I thought why not show it to you. The soft trunk. Does any of you have this bag? Do you like it? I mean, it's a cool look, isn't it? Because I love the color of the twist, the lilac. He has just shown me this incredible piece. This is a Petite Malle in lilac ostrich. And I don't know if you can see it. It's like an iridescent ostrich. Okay, something special. This is 7.7, so almost 8K. This is a Rose de Vin, and so far they only made them in crocodile. That's why I never wanted to get one, because obviously they're super expensive. Now they're making them in ostrich as well. And look at this. Unfortunately, it's silver hardware. It doesn't come in gold. It's 6,200 pounds. First time they're making this model in like a non-croc exotic. Wow. And it's got feet. Goes really well with my pink diamond engagement ring, doesn't it? Hi. I'm in Paradise. You guys know I still got my eye on this one, and I just recently got this from BVLGARI. Thank you so much. I love this. I love this one as well, and classic serpenties. Yeah, I just spotted this one. I've not even seen this in Bond Street. Dina hasn't even shown me this one. It's a beautiful autumn color as well. It's like a burgundy, and it has a very special class. You got the onyx eyes and like gold scales. Huh. Hi. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, it's nice. It's a nice one. I've not even seen this one before. So my friend is looking at this one and it's super cute, guys. I can understand why. You just need a longer strap and then it's super functional. Oh, hello. Do we like this one? Okay guys, while my friend is looking at bags, I just spotted this ellipse and I don't know, should I get an ellipse bag as well? This is one of the models I don't own yet and it has the beautiful onyx stones there. Oh, my camera, yeah, it's a nice size, right? You guys know I could get any BVLGARI bag and I would love them. My friend was also looking at this one. It's basically the bigger size. It's the same black on black. It's a matte black hardware on patent leather. This is really cute and it sits at a really nice height. We need another moment. My friend is trying to decide between both the bags. I am going to show you the sizes in comparison and then you can help us, guys. So here's the size comparison. Help her, let her know which one you prefer. They still have these very special pieces here in Selfridges. Wow, I remember this was one of my favorites when it came out. Gorgeous. Look at this Fuji. This is not just any Fuji, guys. Can we? Wow. Okay. This blinds you. Look at these colors, guys. Hello. Just a quick stop at Chanel, guys, and I really like this bag. I always wanted to have a white one and the gold really pops nicely against this one. I think this is a cool bag, isn't it? I really like this one as well, with the little heart clasp. Super pretty, isn't it? What about this beauty? She just brought it out and oh, I'm in love with white and gold recently. Look at this incredible chain. This I love. This is the larger size. It comes with a long strap and a short strap. Yeah. This one actually like the love of my life. This color. Always really loved it. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Hello. Can you see this? Do we like it? And there's a so black classic flap. That's rare. Still so much in love with Celine, guys. Here we are again. Look at this. Even grey and gold looks absolutely stunning. So I was asking for the brown bag over there. I'll show you in a second because I really love the tan. But it doesn't come with a golden strap, even though I think that the gold really pops on the brown. But this grey looks good as well. I mean, they're all gorgeous. I really prefer the Triumph with the chain instead of the leather strap, but I mean that's, you know, to each their own. Guys, the dream. Can I just please? I know I've been wearing this outfit because it's cozy and comfy, but look how well it goes with my platform Ugg boots. And this leather actually, you can see it's got lots of scratches and stuff, but that's normal. This is untreated. The other one was treated when it's really shiny. So you are expected to see patina, scratches, wear and tear, you know. So, but it doesn't come with the golden strap. It only comes with the leather strap. Newspaper, classic, Celine Triomphe, Ava Triomphe. Oh god, they're all gorgeous. Don't know what to do. Here guys, my problem is, can you see the scratches? It's beautiful, it feels really nice. This is the treated version, but they don't do it in a bag. This is so gorgeous. I love the color because it goes so well with my Ugg boots, let's be honest. And my friend really prefers this one as well. I don't know. I love the color. It feels super soft. The nice SA has just shown me this baby as well. Super pretty. I'm really in love with Celine, what can I tell you? I really like this contrast stitching on all their bags. That is just gorgeous. And again, look, Ugg boots, bag. I love my Ugg boots. I will never get out of them again. I'm like old now. I will only wear comfortable shoes from now on. Yeah. But what do we think about the bags? Okay, so whoop. This is a suede bag and it does have the strap. So I wish the regular tan version came in this exact model because I love the golden chain. This is a little bit darker than my Ugg boots. Nonetheless, it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, all their bags are such a vibe. I really like this one because it's almost the same color as my Ugg boots. This has the golden chain that I really wanted. if you buy this beautiful brown Celine Triomphe, actually they're gonna give you a pampering kit for the bag that only comes with untreated leather Celine bags. And then you can moisturize it yourself and you can take care of the bag, you know, and I didn't know that they're gonna give you like an entire kit with the bag. Okay. What to do. My friend was trying on this tote because it's super silent luxury, isn't it? And very understated. Oh guys, and look at these Celine beauties. This is the cutest little bag. Yeah, let's be honest, I'm in love with Celine. Guys, Celine heaven. So you guys know since my last vlog I'm in love with the newspaper bag. But also, look at this Python Triomphe. And can we believe it? This is a gold lizard. Lizard is a really, really durable leather. And same as this green beauty. Oh, and then you got these tiny little box bags with the Celine logo there on top. And we even got a crocodile. Look at this little baby that I just spotted. Oh, look at the colors of this gorgeous Python beauty. And it comes with a nice strap that I really, really like. What is it? What is it with me and Celine recently? I mean, the quality is great. Okay guys, so that was it for today. A lot of eye candy, a lot of unexpected eye candy. I didn't know that I was going out today, but it was nice looking at bags with my friend. So yeah, let me know what caught your eye, and that's it for today. Okay, if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And I see you again very soon, guys. Bye. Oh, and guys, look at these beautiful flowers. Bye.